haven't been with or seen or even spoken to this man in 5 years. Let it go. Nobody wants him, you know, apart from his offspring maybe, but he's not needed or wanted here. Like,
alright, my people, welcome back to the channel. Davido's baby mama Sophia Momodu drags him on TikTok live yesterday saying she wants nothing to do with him. Verydarkman Ratels was arrested in Asaba today during their cleanup exercise. Okay guys, on the news today, Davido's baby mama Sophia Momodu, the mother of Davido's first child, Adeleke, came online yesterday and she has been going back and forth with Davido's fan base, and she was making loads of claims in the process. She went as far as saying that she wants nothing to do with Davido and over her side here, and she also threw some little shade on Chioma. She said over her side here, women they grow, like women grows here. Under Davido's side, women know they grow, they lock women according to like they tried to throw some little shade on Chioma and the rest of them. But I don't know what this woman's problem is, why she keeps looking for opportunities to mess the video up and the rest of them. She went as far as talking a lot of things, but at the end of the day, the video has not responded, and the video has also tried to keep silent. She has been throwing jabs at Chioma for the longest, but unfortunately for her, Chioma no get her time. Chioma didn't respond, and that one depend on. Listen to what she had to say during the live session.
are angry. We stay away from you guys. You guys are angry. You come and be calling his name where he doesn't, like he's not wanted. I've never seen a fan base force a man that she doesn't want down a woman's neck so much like you guys. You're so irritating. Like, don't tell me what to do. Even you people telling me don't reply, don't tell me what to do. All of you are irritating me. Plus his fan base, plus the keep quiet fan base, plus the don't say anything fan base. Fuck all of you. You're all pissing me off. I haven't been with or seen or even spoken to this man in 5 years. Let it go. Nobody wants him, you know, apart from his offspring maybe, but he's not needed or wanted here. Like, respect it and move on. Even the so-called social media beef that you guys keep having between each other is so irritating. I don't engage. That's why I don't answer you guys. When you guys are like, oh, look at this person said this about you. I don't give a fuck about them or you that is taking them serious or giving them the time of day. It's because you guys keep going back and forth with these illiterate rats that they think that this thing is something to want. We don't want your situation. We don't want you over here. Move on. Go back to where women don't grow. Here, women grow here. Leave me alone. Like, it's so irritating. Imagine you guys doing all this nonsense online and the guy is so happy with his child and the child is so happy with her father and the mother is so happy with her lover. When are people going to move on? When will people grow? When will you have sense? And don't ever tell me not to talk again. If you tell me don't say anything, I say everything. Don't piss me off. The thing is, there's even nothing to say. Everyone has moved on with their lives. Everyone is happy. So why are you guys so fucking irritated?
Verydarkman Ratels was arrested today in Asaba during their cleanup exercise. Okay guys, I don't know what happened. People they come up to come do cleanup and they arrest them. What thing they do Nigerian police self? Verydarkman Ratels during their cleanup monthly end of the month cleanup exercise, and they were arrested in Asaba. But fortunately, they have also been released, because if they can't arrest Ratel, you don't know who their papa be. You don't know who be VDM be. Maybe VDM can't enter now. Luckily for them, they don't release them. See how the whole thing went down.
When I go arrest all of us. So they arrested us for violating environmental violation because we came to work in Ibuso today. So we are out, you know. So see us. We don't do them anything, no. They carry us put for counter, no complainant. Say we they go clean up. We they go clean up, they can't stop us. We don't do them anything, no. Because I know say they must express that, because I go post all of them. I go post their face. All of them, I go post their face. We don't reach the location, no. They can't call us, say they owe our people. Now make I come there. Can't know wetin dey happen. They say we enter motor. Say we hold knife. Say we be cultists. Say why we go hold knife. People wear vest. Sorry. People wear vest where they go use walk. You stop people. You stop people. The other one say who give us permission to enter their community? Why we go enter their community? Community where they think they see us now. All of us there for police station. Yeah, people fool. We there police station. We go put their face. Because they say why we go come there? Say why we go? So as it stands now, we won't work for their distance and maybe we work for their front. Go on that machine, the machine that be on the machine. Maybe we work for their distance. Maybe they still know say you don't get where it touch. Our people still they work for the other side though. So you see, maybe we still work their police station. See our oga. Our chairman even they work with us. You reach forever. On machine. No. So we are out.